Let me go across to Nawab Malik, Cabinet Minister, Senior Leader of the NCP. He's joining me. Thank you very much indeed, Nawab Malik Saab. You're joining us on the road. But tell me, the whole allegation being made by now all these people, Samir Wankhede, the NCB, is that all this that you're coming out with, these allegations of people having taken bribes and extortion, this is all political. You've managed this at a political level to implicate the NCB and Samir Wankhede. What do you say to that?
See, this allegation is baseless. They were shielding behind a case of my in-law. 9 months ago, he was arrested by Mr. Wankhede. He was framed.
Right.
From that day, I never said anything regarding anybody. I said I have fully trust in the Indian judiciary. Nobody is above the law.
Okay.
On 27th of last month, he has been granted bail. On 12, the order has been signed. 13, it was on the website. And 4, I had taken a press conference. Clear, all the press people were asking, you are making allegation against the Wankhede because your in-law has been arrested.
Right.
What court order says? The case is totally wrong. And it is in the order. Definitely will go to the High Court and quash it. Why he was framed my in-law? Because when he started to harass the industry, that time statement were there. Some of the crime reporters said, Mr. Wankhede is angry with you. No, why? He said, the way you are speaking, that cannot be tolerated by him. Definitely, I said, any wrongdoing is there. Definitely, I have to raise the voice.
No, but
so then he framed my in-law.
Okay, but is it then, but then it sounds, Nawab Saab, that this has become a personal fight between you and Samir Wankhede.
Man, it is a fight against the wrongdoing. When a wrongdoing are done by the Samir Wankhede in the city of Mumbai, he had joined the Department of Custom and Excise. Since 14 years, he has not been transferred from the Mumbai city. He was here in various agencies.
Right.
And he has taken a charge of NCB to extort the money. More than thousands of crore has been extorted. He is staying in the Mumbai city, getting the message from the people how he is working in the Mumbai city. Definitely, when wrongdoings are there, definitely we have to raise the voice.
But
what
are you...
allegation I had made in the...
But are you, but no, but the
conference.
Okay, but the allegation is that this Prabhakar Sel, who has come out and made the allegation that he heard some conversation about crores being handed over to Gosavi, etc., of which 8 crores was supposed to go to Samir Wankhede. The allegation is that you have propped up all these people, like Prabhakar Sel and all these people. Is that true?
Very first listen, on the very first press conference, I had revealed the video of A.P. Gosavi and the Bhanusali. At that time, they said we are having independent witnesses. 9 names has been billed by them. Then I had said them, the 3 people were related to Bharatiya Janata Party, were bought at that night.
Right.
And they were released by the NCP. They said it was not 11, it was 14.
Right.
But where were all 3 people? Then I raised the issue of Lecture Patel. Then I raised the issue of Maldives, where they collected the money. Then the person who has been signed an affidavit, given a video statement, he is pursuing the matter.
Right.
And Mr. Wankhede went to the court and he said, court, should give me the protection. What kind of protection he want? If he is an appointed officer, definitely he had to ask. The rope should be there. Some inquiry should be set up.
No, is there a move to arrest him? Is the Mumbai police moving to arrest him?
Why to arrest him? I think there is a law. There is a system, the number given by the salary, the car number given by him, the spot he said, from where money has been picked up, where then from where the money has been bring back to the hotel,
Okay.
near the hotel. This all definitely Mumbai police is having a lot CCTV network, CDR there.
Okay.
If inquiry
So you'll
will
say-
be made,
you're
what
saying-
is the truth? It will be come out definitely.
But one thing though, Nawab Malik Saab, that you tweeted his birth certificate. What was the need for that?
See, a tempered document he had been used, made a forged birth caste certificate. On the basis of that, he get the service in IRS. When a person is using a forged document to get a certificate of scheduled caste and getting benefit of that, definitely that man cannot be honest. All document has been submitted before the authority to get a caste certificate. That all are tempered.
But he says-
and
but-
definitely will pursue the issue.
No, but Majid, Nawab Malik Saab, he says, Samir Wankhede says, my father was Hindu, mother was a Muslim, I come from a multi-religious family. He is implying, you seem to be suggesting that he is not a SC member of the SC community. He's tried to falsify that. He seems to be saying he is.
See, his father was, he converted, he took a name of Dawood, he married to a Muslim woman. The two child has been there, their birth certificates are there, they were Muslim. Afterthought he had created and they tempered the birth certificate. In 2006, being a Muslim, he married to a doctor. We have a Nikah, we have a photo. If he is Hindu, why he had made a Nikah in a mosque? Why he the Nikah there? Definitely they were Muslim. They tempered the document, take benefit in the name of SC because his father
Okay.
was SC. On the basis of that, he will definitely matter before the authority. And I am very much hopeful the certificate of
Well,
Mr.
it
Parekh
is-
will be declared null and void.
Okay.
And there is a provision in that act. If anybody temper or forge to get document, fake document,
Okay.
there is a provision in the law for the 7-year punishment.
Okay, well, it is, thank you very much indeed, Nawab Malik Saab, for joining us.